আপনাদের সবাইকে আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে স্বাগত। আজ আমি ডিসকাস করব কলকাতা মিউনিসিপ্যাল কর্পোরেশন সাব ওভারসিয়ারের কোশ্চেন কিছু সায়েন্স সাবজেক্ট। এটা পার্ট 1। টোটাল আজকে 50টি কোশ্চেন ডিসকাস করব। আর এক্সামের 10 দিনের মতো বাকি আছে, 7 তারিখ আর 14 তারিখে এক্সাম। সো প্রতিদিন কিছুগুলো কোশ্চেন সায়েন্স, জিকে এবং ইংলিশ এবং সব কিছু ডিসকাস করব। সো আজকের ভিডিও স্টার্ট করা যাক। আপনারা এই চ্যানেলে প্রথম হয়ে থাকলে আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও, যাতে পরবর্তীকালে আলাদা আরও কোশ্চেন পাওয়ার জন্য। সো ভিডিওটি এরপর শুরু করা যাক। আর একটি কথা, যেহেতু কোশ্চেনটা ইংলিশে হবে তাই আমিও কোশ্চেনগুলো ইংলিশেই দিয়েছি। সো ভিডিওটা প্রথম কোশ্চেন, দ্য এলিমেন্ট হ্যাজ দ্য লোয়েস্ট মেল্টিং পয়েন্ট ইজ helium minus 270 degree centigrade. Some other information: highest melting point number সব থেকে বেশি কার্বন 3500 degree centigrade, and second tungsten 3407 degree centigrade. The lowest melting point metal, then mercury, and minus 30 degrees centigrade, and boiling point 360 degree centigrade. And highest melting point metal, number 1 tungsten, and second rhenium 75. Next question, number 2. The first to use the radio wave to detect the presence of distant metallic object is Christan Hulsmeyer, from German scientist, and he is the inventor of telemobiloscope, the radar system. Next question, number 3. The organ is affected by pneumonia disease is lungs. Number 4. The fuse is an electric circuit is connected in series with live. Number 5. Siemens is the unit of electric conductance or electric susceptibility or electric admittance. According to the International System of Units, commonly known as SI, 1 Siemens would be reciprocal of 1 ohm. The SI base unit of Siemens is S, or kg inverse meters minus 2 S3 A2. Next question, number 6. Candela is the unit of Number 6. Candela is the unit of luminous intensity, and luminous intensity is the measure of the amount of visible light emitted from a point source per unit time per unit solid angle. Next, number 7. Lux is the unit of lumency, and it is defined in the term of lumens per second square, and reduced to SI base unit. 1 lux is equal to 0.00146 kilogram per second cubed, 1.46 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per S3. Next, 8. Lumen is the unit of luminous flux or luminous power. Luminous flux is the amount of light energy emitted per unit time in all direction by light source. Number 9. Tesla is the unit of magnetic flux density, Weber per meter square. Next, number 10. The principal works on the hydraulic lift is Pascal's law. This is very important question. Number 11. Kidney stone is composed of calcium oxalate CaC2O4. Next, 12. Glucose is converted into alcohol by the process of fermentation. And fermentation is a metabolic process that produces the chemical changes in the organic substance through the action of enzyme. In biochemistry, it is narrowly defined as the extraction of energy from carbohydrate in the absence of oxygen. Next question, number 13. MICR full form or stand for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, and it is a technology used primarily to identify and process checks. Next question, number 14. OCR stand for Optical Character Recognition, and it is stored as a text for editing or printing. Next question, number 15. Pulses are the rich source of protein. Next question, number 16. Surface of the sun is called the photosphere, and total 7 layers of sun. The inner layers are the core, the radiative zones and convection zone, and the outer layer are the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the transition region and the corona. Next question, number 17. Electroscope was invented by scientist William Gilbert, and the electroscope is an early scientific instrument used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body. It detects the charge by the movement of test object due to the Coulomb electrostatic force on it. The amount of charge on an object is proportional to its voltage. Next question, number 18. The chemical compound is used in making dyes is potassium carbonate K2CO3. Dyes mean the কালার করা যেটা মাথাতে লাগানো হয়। Next, number 19. The basic process of taking place in the nuclear reactor is fusion. Fission. Next, 20. Contact lenses inventor is Adolf Gaston Eugen Fick in 1888. Next question, 21. Helicopter was invented by Igor Kirovsky. Next question, number 22. A p-type and n-type semiconductor can be obtained by doping pure silicon with boron and phosphorus. Next, 23. Crescograph was invented by Jagdish Chandra Bose. Then this device is for measuring the growth of plants. Next, 24. The nuclear reactor graphite is used as the moderator. Next, 25. Energy is stored in liver and muscles in the form of glycogen. Next question, number 26. Teflon is the common name of polytetrafluoro ethene PTFE, and formula of Teflon is C2CF4 N, and Teflon was discovered by Roy J. Plunkett in 1939. Next, 27. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of atomic nucleus. Next question, number 28. The tissue transport food to various part of plant is phloem, and the tissue transport water to various part of planet is xylem. So জলের জন্য xylem and food-এর জন্য হচ্ছে phloem. Next question, number 29. The enzyme lipase is produced by pancreas. Next, 30. Rhodopsin is located in the retina of human eye. Rhodopsin is the virtual purple. Next question, 31. The term chromosome was coined by W. Oderer in 1888. Next, 32. Lice are the examples of ectoparasite. Lice are obligate the parasite living externally on warm-blooded host which include every species of the bird and the mammals except the monotremes and the pangolins and bats. Next, 33. Schizophrenia disease is found to affect the mind. It is a brain disorder. And when schizophrenia is active, symptoms can be included delusion, hallucination, deorganization, speech, trouble with thinking, and lack of motivation. Next, 34. After the fertilization, zygote grows into embryo. Next, 35. In the human body, out of the total 33 pair of chromosomes, sex chromosome remain only one pair. So মানুষের শরীরে টোটাল 46টি ক্রোমোজোমের মধ্যে দুটো হলো সেক্স ক্রোমোজোম, আর বাকি 22 যে পেয়ারটা আছে তাদেরকে বলা পেয়ার মানে 44টাকে বলা হয় অটোজোম, and 23rd pair is known as the sex chromosome. Next, 36. Dr. Horobindo Khurana got the Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology in 1968 for the interruption of the genetic code and its function in the potent synthetic synthesis jointly with Robert W. Whaley. Next, 37. Important cause of heart attack of a person may be increased due to the cholesterol, and a high level of low density lipoprotein LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, actually it is the most likely to the narrow arteries, and high level of triglycerides, a type of blood fat related to your diet, also increase your risk of heart attack. Next question, number 38. The gas is used in anesthesia is xenon. নিষ্ক্রিয় গ্যাস xenon anesthesiaতে ব্যবহার করা হয়. Next, 39. Noble gas helium is discovered by Jason Janssen and Joseph Norman Lockyer. Next, radon Nobel gas was discovered by Frederick Ernest Dodd. Next, 40. Neon, argon, krypton and xenon, 4 Nobel gas, are discovered by Sir William Ramsay. Sir William Ramsay was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for his achievement in 1904. Sir William Ramsay এই চারটা নোবেল গ্যাস স্ট্রেঞ্জার গ্যাস এই চারটি নিষ্ক্রিয় গ্যাস আবিষ্কারের জন্য নোবেল প্রাইজ পেয়েছিল 1904 সালে. নেক্সট কোশ্চেন 41. নোবেল গ্যাস ওয়াজ হুইচ ইজ রেডিও অ্যাক্টিভ ইন নেচার ইজ রেডন. তো শুধুমাত্র এই 6টি নিষ্ক্রিয় গ্যাসের মধ্যে রেডনটি হলো রেডিও অ্যাক্টিভেট. নেক্সট 42. নোবেল গ্যাস ইজ মোস্ট সলিউবল ইন ওয়াটার. জলে সবথেকে বেশি সলিউবল হলো xenon গ্যাস. Next, 43. Noble gas can harm you if you inhale it is radon gas. Radon গ্যাসটাকে শ্বাস নেওয়া হলে আমাদের শরীরে ক্ষতি হবে যেহেতু এটা রেডিওঅ্যাক্টিভ গ্যাস. Next, 44. Noble gas is found in the signs or light display is neon gas. Next, 45. Noble gas is least polarized is helium gas. So helium গ্যাসটা হচ্ছে সব থেকে কম polarized gas. Next, 46. The metal is also known as the fool's gold. বোকাদের সোনা বলা হয় pyrites or iron sulfide. এর formula FeS2. Pyrite is also called the iron pyrites or fool's gold. A naturally occurring the iron sulfide sulfide mineral that commonly comes from the Greek word pyre or meaning fire, because a pyrite emits a spark when struck by metal, and pyrite is called the fool's gold to novice, its color is desperately similar to the gold. Next question number 47. Metal is previously known as the Wolfram is tungsten. Next 48. Endoscope is the technique to examine the stomach and other organs of the body based on total internal reflection. And endoscope is the procedure to use in the medicine to look inside the body. The endoscope procedure use an endoscopic to examine the interior of a hollow organ or cavity of the body. Unlike many other medical imaging techniques, endoscope are inserted directly into the organ. Next question 49. Ethanol containing 5% water is known as rectified spirit. And methanol CH3OH is also known as the wood spirit or methyl alcohol. And last question 50. Most abundant inert or noble gas in atmosphere is argon. Total presence is 0.93%. সো এই 50টি কোশ্চেন আজকের জন্য পার্ট 1। নেক্সট দিন আরও 50টি কোশ্চেন ডিসকাস করব। তো এই জন্য আপনারা আমার চ্যানেলটিকে তো নতুন হয়ে থাকলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকেও দাবিয়ে দিও এবং আমার চ্যানেলের ভিডিওগুলি দেখার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ এবং ভিডিওটিকে লাইক এবং শেয়ার করে দিও।